Today, we're gonna use GoHighLevel's brand new website AI builder and the workflow AI builder. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how fast we can actually build a real website. So stay tuned and build along with us. Now, by the time you watch this video, it's already probably live and you won't need to go through these steps, but just in case, let's go ahead and do it anyway. We gotta go over into our agency side and make sure it's on. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to settings. Inside of settings, I'm gonna go all the way to labs. Inside of labs, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to look for build a workflow using AI and make sure that that's turned on. And remember, it's only going to be active in 156 days. So probably by the time you watch this video, this is still something you have to do. So you have to turn that at agency level. All right. And then we're just going to make sure that we go down, SEO, go collab. Okay. Everything else is good. And then the next thing we're going to do is go to sub account. And we're also going to make sure that this thing is on. And what we're looking for is the brand new funnel and website AI builder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and activate the feature, and I'm going to activate it for all my accounts, or I can activate it for a specific account. And just understand, whenever you use the AI, there is a charge for it. Now, granted, the charges are going to be a little bit cheaper than they were before. This was the announcement that HighLevel proposed, but I just want to make sure you guys are aware as you go through. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go into one of my accounts. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the website AI builder first, and then we're going to follow along and do the workflow for the actual lead magnet. So the first thing I'm going to do actually is I'm going to go to my ChatGPT. This is going to be free for you guys. It's something I want to give to everybody, where it's a lead magnet that's basically going to help you build a lead magnet for whatever business you have. It does go through 8 questions. I'm going to kind of skip this particular setup because it does go into, building the perfect lead magnet out for you guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say, this is a sample. Please just give me the final product for Make Believe Agency. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter. And what it'll do is it'll actually create, all these in here. And again, I'm just going to say make this up because it's going to try to go ask the questions. 8 lead magnet funnel ideas. We're going to put in LinkedIn optimization checklist. All right. And I'm going to copy this because what it's going to do, it's going to give me all the copy. And I'm going to try this out for the first time, see whether or not this works. I like this, and I like all these. These just give me different titles and everything else. And look, it gave me all the lead magnet headlines and everything else pretty laid out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and we're going to look for our AI workflow builder. Now, when you come into here, and I recommend that you guys try this, you're going to go into sites, and then in sites, what I'm going to do is you see this new build with AI. That's what we're going to leverage. But what we're going to do is this is going to be test AI funnel. All right. And we're going to just put lead magnets so you guys all know what it is. I'm going to hit confirm. Now, I would spend some time, obviously, in going in there, but I just really do want to see how quick this is. And then we're going to use the workflow AI builder to actually build a workflow that would be for this particular lead magnet. All right, so now let's go in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on our folder right here. We're going to click Build with AI, and let's see what it's all about. Now, my hope, right, is that I can put in that pretty big prompt and it will do the whole entire thing. And what I'm going to do is we're going to enter the funnel name. And then I think we actually have the build. Perfect. So here, what I can do is build a lead magnet, high converting funnel with a modern and sleek look. Use the copy below for the site. Now, I'm telling you right now, this might be a little bit too advanced because this is got a lot of asks in there. Let's see if it can do it. And we'll go from there. Let's see. So we're going to give it some time. Obviously, I'm not going to make you guys wait while this goes through. I did give it, what the lead magnet is, everything that it has to be. And I'm going to find out whether or not this thing really goes through. Now, the really cool thing about this is that if you're in a jam, right, and you're like literally trying to create something very quickly, or you're trying to get the original layout out, this is going to be the best way to do it for you. And then you can go in and again, just build something on the fly, build something very quick. And honestly, it's going to be better if you have absolutely no skill and you're just trying to get something up really out and about. This will do it. So we're going to get a few minutes to think like all AI, and then we'll come back to it. Hey, we want to interrupt this video for a quick little minute to just let you know that I hope you're enjoying this video. We want to thank you for being here. But more importantly, we are hoping that this content helps you do whatever you're trying to do inside of HighLevel. We also want to let you know that you have options to get additional help. We offer a $197 a month VIP coaching program that includes 4 days of office hours, first come, first serve with Andy or myself, where we go in and we answer any of your questions that you might have live with a group setting for other people that are also working in HighLevel. We also have a VIP group where we answer questions directly one-on-one with anybody posting in that group to give you the absolute best support. It also comes with a bunch of other features, including our funnel brick system, our little mini course, and more importantly, a couple guides that'll help you through this, and also including our SOP library that we use for pretty much everything inside of our agency. So thank you for this quick little minute, but more importantly, go back to the video, get whatever you need. And if you have any questions that we can answer inside the video, just drop a comment on the video and we'll make sure to answer whenever we get a chance. And now back to the show. All right, so actually overall, not bad. This is what we created. Now, did it follow my exact directions as far as the wording? No, but honestly, it would be just how to land, like, discover the exact 3-step funnel. This is the subheadline. I could just come in here now that the subheadline created, but honestly, this isn't bad either. All of these aren't pretty bad. I would just probably go in and modify a few of these, but this isn't bad whatsoever. I mean, it definitely 100% did not follow what I asked it to write, but did it create something pretty decent that I can go in and just modify? And then all you need to do if you don't agree with the words is come in here, delete, and just literally put in whatever you want. So for instance, if I wanted to switch that out, this is the blurb. So I'm just gonna copy this real quick here. Drop it in here. That's it. Honestly, it's that simple. The image, I gotta be honest, it created a little bit of a book image. Is it blended in? Yes, but at the end of the day, it's not bad. It kind of gave it that cool modern look. I can come in here and literally adjust this very easily. Like get rid of things I don't want, like this whole thing, I get it, but do I really need it? No. Maybe a lot of spacing in between, so I click on this and just remove some of the actual padding. Or yeah, see, the padding is like way too much. So I'll bring that down probably to 0. And again, I have it at the bottom too. So I click on the bottom. And again, this is not bad. This is like years ahead of what we got the first time around. But what is it missing? It's missing the form, right? So what we're going to do next is we got this right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. All right. Look, it actually created the SEO also, which is great. Look at this. It's got the keywords, everything else there. The author, Funnel AI, we'd obviously switch that, and the social image, it actually made that image. But again, and look, it actually added the custom links. It created the OG, the Twitter card. This is all the stuff you need for SEO, which is great that it automatically just created this. And it even gave it schema. That's amazing. Language is selected to English. So all the SEO piece of it was filled out perfectly. And now what we're going to do is we are going to come back out of this and let's go ahead and create the form. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to forms. I'm going to go to builder. And as always, I'll just put it in this folder right here. I'm just create a quick little form, add form, start from scratch. I can use a template too, but we want a very simplistic lead magnet form for anybody that doesn't know how to create this. And I'm going to just do this. This is the AI test form. Okay. And I'm going to come in here. I'm going to eliminate the phone because I don't need it. I'm going to eliminate these 2 checkboxes. I'm going to eliminate the privacy and terms. You can keep those, but again, just go ahead and fix that. Obviously the word is, claim your guide now. Okay. Change that up a little bit. Let's center it by clicking that little center button right here. Boom, we have the AI test form. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Okay, now we have a form in place. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go back over to sites, go to the folder we created for the test funnel AI. Oh, where did the funnel go? Oh, silly me. I put the funnel outside and I shouldn't have done that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move to folder, and this is going to go into our test funnel lead magnet. Move into that folder. All right. And then come in here. It says AI generated funnel. We're going to change the settings, go to the name, call it the LinkedIn blueprint. All right. Come over here, LinkedIn blueprint. Okay. Select the domain. I don't want to put it on any of these because, well, actually it doesn't really honestly matter. But if you have a domain already connected, you would just connect the domain. We're not going to do this because this is obviously a test funnel. I'm just going to hit save because I changed the name of it. And the title page, we're just going to go to publishing. And what we're going to do is this is going to be LinkedIn Blueprint Lead Magnet. Now it's so funny. It does the actual SEO, but it doesn't change this. Weird. So I'm going to change also the path. So, I can customize it. Obviously you want that spelled right. All right. Come in here. Blueprint. My spelling as always, guys. You love it. Update the steps. So now it has a page. And then I'm going to add the form and then a thank you page. We're going to see if we can create a thank you page also. All right. And what I'm going to do is come right over here and I'm going to hit edit. And now what we're going to do is add the form. Now it has 2 places for the form. Get the guide, which is going to be a pop-up, I'm assuming. Let's see if the button actions, where is button actions? Your website URL. I'm just going to do a pop-up instead. So I'm switching the button over here to pop-up. We're going to switch all the buttons, switching all the buttons. It has the form here. So I'm going to select the form. We're going to go AI test form. Okay. And then that honestly should be it. Now notice I do have links down here. We would obviously want to change these links based on, our particular ones. Obviously, same thing all the way down here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit save again one more time. Now we're going to go to the pop-up area, go into pop-up settings, hit the pop-up exit that's already created. Make sure that we throw in a column, maybe a little headline that says, please fill the form below. Okay. And then come in here, hit the little plus sign, drag over form where you can double click it. Come in here and let's go over to AI test form. Beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now, if we want to create a landing page, let's see if we can get that going. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to add a new step. The new step is going to be thank you page for blueprint. Okay. And I'm just going to put a little path, ty-blueprint. So everything just matches and I have a clear indication of what I want in here. And let's see if I can also generate this page in AI too. So I'm going to create from blank. Let me see if the AI functions allow me to do this in here. I have it here, right here. Here's the Ask AI. So I'm going to be just a simple thank you page for this lead magnet. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to include the copy. I just feel like I need to do that. So then it has some relevance about what it is. And again, we'll get more and more tips as this goes through where we can, go later on and do it. I could probably attach an image or, pretty much the actual lead magnet itself for it to do. Now it's going to be a simple thank you page. And then it's going to go in. Let's see what it generates. I'm going to pause the video again, and then we're going to go right into the workflow build. Honestly, not bad. It did pretty good. So it says your guide, it's on its way. You can download now. You would click on the button. And what you would do is right in here, you would do a website URL. You would just put the share link for the actual guide itself, what you'll get if you want to go over it. And then probably after this, I would just delete. You don't need it twice, success stories, all that stuff. Make it super simple, what you'll get. Look, it did generate. Oh, look, that's pretty good. The 3-step LinkedIn funnel blueprint. I mean, it's probably not the image and the bottom is not right, but it's not bad for an AI generated image, which I thought was pretty cool. So that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now let's go really quickly over to our automations. Now in automations, again, very important. You have to have the AI workflow builder on, but honestly, it's right here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit create folder. And in here, we're going to do a simple AI test automation to kind of wrap this up. And I'm just going to hit create a folder really quickly, create a workflow, come in here. We're going to go ahead and start from scratch. And then when you start from scratch, enable autosave. By the way, I'll turn this on. I'll show you where to go do that because I want to autosave everywhere in my automations. That happens right in here. And what would you like to automate? Look, you have it right in here. You also have it here on the left-hand side. I'm going to say, please create a lead magnet download automation that will tag create opportunity and also send an email. All right, we're going to hit enter and we're going to let this thing crank and see what it does, right? It's going to generate the workflow and then we're going to go right from there. So look, here we go. We have new forms, but it does say no filters applied. Form submitted. We would have to come over here and select the form is, come over here to the AI test form, which we did. Tag the contact as new lead magnet, download requested. Fantastic. Or you could just do your own. In there, we would select the pipeline because we don't have it. Lead management system, new leads, opportunity name, contact and phone number. We're just going to remove the date. All right. Save action. And then you would write the email with your actual lead magnet. Now, it gave you some preliminary text, but I also am going to give you this funnel bricks lead magnet and email text helper. You just plug in your lead magnet in here or just like by attaching it, and it will create the email that you want for this particular thing in order to deliver it. But that's it. Honestly, guys, it took literally maybe about 3 minutes to generate in each thing, the funnel, and also this actually was quicker, the workflow builder. And then the only other thing that I would do is I would come in here and just change the title, new lead. All right, we're going to write new lead and we're just going to put in here blueprint. All right, just to make it super easy. And then the last thing I'm going to do is show you where you can turn all this stuff on. Remember, I had the autosave on and there's a lot of other cool features. And I do have another video that goes over the workflow AI builder that has all this. So you can go ahead and figure that out. But switch to agency view. Again, same thing. You're going to go to settings. Inside of settings, you're going to go over to labs. Inside of labs, you're going to go to sub account. And here is where you're going to find a lot of, look, you even have email AI. It would actually create the email for you. And let's see, new advanced workflow builder, save and auto and restore right here. You would have to activate this feature. I did it for all my sub accounts and workflow triggers, enhancements, overview dashboard. Again, activate this feature, select all, again, next, save all to that. And then the rest are all just really cool things that you might want to try out. A lot of the updates are phenomenal. I just recommend trying them all out as you have a lot of fun doing this. And that's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.